The plan is to do some defending. Oh! Right, so welcome to another video. Today we're at Whilton Mill. I'm with Reema.
Hello.
And yeah, basically we're doing it for a bit of fitness and also to go through a few overtaking exercises. The kart that we're using is I don't even know what chassis it is. The car that we're using is a Kart Republic. The M Sport guys are looking after us today. We have the Senior X30, not XK30, that's a Jaguar, so it's the X30. This thing revs to, I think, about 16,000. It's got about 29 horsepower, and apparently the racing weight for when they do race is 165 kilos, so obviously an extremely good power to weight ratio. We are running on the Comet slick tires, and these ones are looking like I'm not going quick enough, so I got a bit of pickup on them. Yeah, we've got two karts here today. Reema's in the other one. We'll be practicing and going through some overtaking procedures of like how to read the kart or the vehicle in front, and get her prepped as best as we can for her next race. Right, so back to basics with the kart. So we've got the throttle here, we've got the brake on this side. Obviously you've got a nice little system, hydraulic. So this is the X30, so it's got an automatic clutch in there. Obviously we've got the sprocket on the back and the chain. We've got the airbox, not that we have to today, but when we used to race we used to choke going into each corner just to keep the engine cool. A nice single exhaust on there. We've got plastic bumpers now, so we don't bend them as much as we used to. We've got a race driver.
Where are those, mate? This there, yeah. There, then.
Right, so we're about to go out and do some overtaking exercises. Tyres are a bit cold. The plan is to do some defending. Oh! A little too hot going in. The third kart now in the mix. Oh, she's got in tight. Oh, she's done it again. Going in far too hard at the moment. I'm right on the inside, so she's defending. Let's see if I can. Quick stab on the brake. Oh, sorry. So now I'm positioning the kart on the inside of a lot of the corners to make it as difficult for her to overtake as possible. I'll really be able to slow down. She got the better run, I bogged down a little bit. So let's see whether I can get back past now. Karts has got the slight legs on mine. Down the inside now. Maximise all the track on my head, so she'll be able to hold the position. Maximising all the corners, so now I can slow down a little bit more. Make the kart nice and wide. Make it position her on the outside, but she can't do anything about it. A little deep, but from Max she's had to yield. Let's see whether I can manage all the way around the outside. No. Got the run. Not this time. She's back on the inside, so see if she pinches it. No, she didn't this time. She's got a good run. Bouncing around far too much. Oh, a little out of practice compared to her. She's gone in super tight there. So maybe I can get the run on the exit. No. Not this time. So do a bit of a cool down lap. Just got our breath back. And then we'll go again. How was that? That was good. Yeah, no, there's going to be though. The thing is, whilst doing the overtaking, there's always going to be close calls. Well, yeah, like on the first lap going into the hairpin, like Don't worry, I got it all on camera. There's no getting away from that. So that's today finished. We've been looked after by the M Sport Karting boys. Obviously 2 carts fully prepped, absolutely identical, or as identical as carts can get. There's always like little minor differences, but yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Yeah, like, subscribe, tag your mates in it, and look forward to doing the next video soon. Cheers.